You know, folks, of all the times I've asked staff to send me a screenshot of something, I just realized the fact that they might not know how to take a screenshot, and you might not either, so that's why I'm making you this tutorial. Let's get started right away with the snipping tool. Now, I've got my snipping tool down in the taskbar, and which is a little tip and trick here. If you don't have it in your taskbar, if you click on the Windows icon, the Start button here, and I just start typing SNI, there's the snipping tool. When you click on that, it'll start the snipping tool. Now, if you didn't have it on your taskbar and you want it on your taskbar, you're going to right mouse click on it and you're going to pin it to the taskbar. Now I've unpinned it, but now I'm going to back to pin that to my taskbar. That way it stays there all the time, which I kind of like. Now, let's get started with this. One of the staff members that asked me about the not knowing how to take a screenshot was in land school, and it doesn't matter what program you're in, doesn't matter at all. I'm going to click on New, and it's going to let me take a snip, and it saves a screenshot. Now, with that said, let's say I want to get into the menu, and it doesn't give me enough time to get in the menu. So what I do is I'm going to go to a delay, and let's say a 3-second delay. I'm going to click on New, and now I can click on Administer and then Preferences. Now I've got where I want someone to go when they're clicking in a menu. If you want to mark it up, you can use the highlighter, which is it's pretty simple to use. Here you've got different color pens that you can use, and you can also customize that. If you're a webmail user, this is pretty much useless to send this, but you can also copy this and then save this. The other mode that you've got is Freeform Snip and Window Snip. I just stay with a simple rectangular snip, but if you want to get super fancy with it, that's totally up to you. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you hit the subscription and the notification bell, and you'll get all sorts of notifications when I put out new content. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day.